Hi guys, so here is the fifth program in string manipulation. So what we have to do is to find the most frequent word in a given string. First let us consider an example. Let our string be str arm over arm. So this is our string, we will store it in a character array, and what we have to do is to find the most frequent word. For that we will split each word of this string into a two-dimensional character array, say str1. So after this program, our str1 will be something like this. We will separate each word by white space into this kth location, and we will end each word by a null character. So what we will do is, we will check for each character, and if it's not a white space, we will add it to this array. First arm will be stored in this k is equal to 0 position, and then this white space occurs. So we will add it, we will end it by adding a null character, and we will move to k equal to 1, and we will store this over here, and this white space occurs. So we will end it by a null character again, and we will move to this k equal to 2, this arm. So this is what our str1 will be look like. I think the example is clear now. Then we will get this each word in this two-dimensional array. Then we will check for their number of occurrences. So now let's get into our solution. First we have to read a string. For that I have used this scanf, and I have used this thing to end reading if a new line occurs. I think it's clear now. So then I have used this toLower function. It is to lower each character, to change each letter to a lowercase, so that our comparison will be easier. I have used this string.h function to add this strlen, and this toLower function, this ctype.h to add this toLower function. Now what we have to do is to split each word into a two-dimensional character array. For that we use this loop. This loop will this I will iterate through each character in str until it occurs a null character. So what we will check is if str of I is a null character, is a white space. If it is not a white space, what we will do is we will add that character to this our two-dimensional array, and we will increase j by 1. And if it is a white space, we will end that word with a null character, and we will add k by 1 and set j equal to 0. Like here, if it is a white space, we will move to the next position of k, we will set j equal to 0 and end this by a null character. I think it's clear now, and we will end the loop by adding a null character in the last position. And then we have to compare each word to find the occurrence or number of occurrence of a word. So here is our first loop using I, and we have k with the number of words. We entered this k by the number of words in the two-dimensional array, number of words in the two-dimensional array. So we will check for I less than or equal to k. And here I have used this x to count the number of occurrences of each word. So after getting into the first loop, we will set x equal to 1, and we will check for the next position. So I initialize j by I plus 1, and we will check for j less than or equal to k also. And if strcmp to compare each word. It compares each arguments of it, and it returns 0 if two arguments are same. So we will check for that if strcmp of str1 of I and str1 of j equal to 0. That is, if these two strings are equal, we will add x by 1. And this will check for each word in this two-dimensional array. And if they are equal, it will add by x by 1. So we will get this count of that word in x after this loop executes ends. If after this loop ends, so we will check for x greater than or equal to max. I have set max as 0 first. So if x greater than or equal to max, we will add max as x and we will store the ith position in temp. After this execution of all this loop, we will get the maximum occurring word. We will get maximum occurring words index in I and the count in x. So we will print it. Most frequent word is str1 of temp and its occurrence is max. I think it's clear now. So let's just execute it. Yes, here is our answer. Thank you.